Hi, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make perforated metal wall in Revit. Let's get started. I'm going to make a simple wall. Let's check with 3D view. Something like this. And what I'm going to do is to click wall tab and click wall sweep. That's exactly the command for metal panel. Before doing that, I'm going to show you the original CAD data from supplier. This is the original CAD data from supplier. So I'm going to use this section for profile, and I also make a texture like this for punching texture. So please make something like this using Photoshop before making the wall. Okay, let's go back to Revit. So click wall tab and wall sweep and edit type, duplicate. Let's name punching metal wall. Click OK. And this is a profile. So I need to create a new one. So let's temporarily click OK. Then click File tab and click New and New Family. And we should choose Profile Hosted. Open. And I'm going to import CAD data. So insert import CAD. So this is the one I had prepared before. Make sure the unit should be millimeter and open. Look like this, and unpin it. Then I would like to move maybe 100 for subframe. So please consider this line as the finishing of wall line, and this line and this profile should be the punching metal wall. It's kind of double layer wall. And then explode and drag and drop and choose all line and click subcategory and click profile. Okay, let's save it first. Let's name punching profile. Hit enter. And let's load into the project. Okay, let's go to south elevation and architecture wall sweep apps. Click edit type and click punching metal wall. And let's choose the profile that I have just created. This is the one. Okay, and let's set material. Click new material. Let's name punching metal. Hit enter. Appearance and click this button. And let's find similar texture. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. Double click, close, and then don't forget to click this icon, and then click cut out, and the type should be custom, and click image, and click. Let's open this one. Open, and double click the image so that you can change the size. So following the drawings, the size should be 400. Click down, and okay, that's okay, and click OK. So now I can locate punching here. Click. So I want to make some more like this. Let's check with 3D view. Okay, and I want to make this side as well. Okay, let's do the same. Okay, let's turn to realistic. So now I can see hole of the punching metal. Okay, let's render. Set the camera here. Maybe like this. And okay, the rendering has just finished. So the result is something like this. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.